Working with large files in GarageBand. Open GarageBand. In the introduction screen, click on New Project. Select Acoustic Instrument, then click on Choose. I am working with a single continuous file, which is a single side of a record. It is always good practice to title work in a meaningful fashion, so this new project has the same name as the record. Which record in the set is denoted by R2, and which side of the particular record is denoted by S2. Click on the Create button. Once the GarageBand working environment appears, I change my icon. Turn the metronome off and change my displayed measures into minutes and seconds. Once this is done, I drag the large continuous sound file into the area in the working environment that says Drag Apple Loops here. Once the file is imported and converted to GarageBand format, I move the file to align with the start of the timeline, so 0 seconds in sound is 0 seconds on the timeline. In order to see the sound I'm working with, I will contract the visual space in the track view and expand the visual representation in the audio region by using the sliders found at the bottom left of both of these sections respectively. We can now find areas of sound visually. We move there quickly by using the track view, then find the precise section by moving the playhead marker in the audio region. I want to delete the initial sound of the needle dropping on the record. Place the playhead marker. Choose Split from the Edit menu or Command T. This gives two editable sections. The first of these we want to delete. Select the section and choose Delete from the Edit menu or press Delete. Realign the sound file with the timeline. Start the sound recording to see if there is any other gross editing we need to do to this section. Sounds good? Now let's section this record into individual tracks. Sections between tracks or sounds are usually represented by a lack of bumps. Move the playhead marker to such an area. Once we've found such an area, we press play to check it is the end of one section and the beginning of a new section. We need to then place the marker. If possible, leave some editable space after the first track and before the second track. Split the tracks. We now have two tracks, which we should give names to. Name the new tracks by clicking in the audio, double-clicking the title in the audio region and typing the new name. Once this has been done to all tracks in the file, there are a few more organisational steps we should take care of. First, name the track. GarageBand sees this as an instrument. Click on Save Instrument at the bottom right of the main window. I titled the instrument as the record, for that is what it is. This way all sound settings are easily viewable from the menu in the far right hand column. Save the file